What's up, guys? It's your girl, Stephanie. Steph delivers. All right, guys, in this video, if you drive a car, you need to watch this video. If you drive for Uber, Lyft, Postmates, Doordash, Amazon, Flex, whatever. If you drive an automobile, whether it's 20 miles a week, 200 miles a week, it doesn't matter. You need to watch this video because I'm going to be talking benefits and protection. And most importantly, peace of mind. Let's get into this. All right, guys, so I'm going to share with you Motor Club of America. It is a trusted name since 1926. And so you can see that they're established. They have an A+ Better Business Bureau rating. I'm going to go through these really quick. Obviously, the lure is the roadside assistance. All right. If you have a flat tire, lock your keys in the car, have a dead battery or breakdown, you can call them 24 hours a day. They're going to give you up to 100 miles to the destination of your choice, 24/7, 365. So if you wanted to call them every single day of the year for one of these services, you can feel free to do so. You can also call the provider of your choice for up to $100 for reimbursement. So roadside assistance covers boats, trailers, motorcycles, livestock, trailers, or dually pickup trucks over 1 ton for up to $100 in services. They're going to give you some travel assistance. That is pretty sweet. So you're going to get some discounts there. Trip planning, another wonderful service. Some of y'all know y'all need some arrest bonds. MCA memberships cards are accepted as cash appearance bond when involved in traffic violations. If members are stopped for a moving violation and charged, they're going to provide a $500 cash appearance bond for you. Little note on the bottom, not available in California. $25,000 bail bond. MCA will pay the fee for a $25,000 bail bond if a member is charged with a covered criminal violation resulting from a traffic accident, including vehicular manslaughter and negligent homicide. $2,000 for attorney fees to defend members for over 100 moving violations. $1,000 for attorney fees, up to $1,000 in legal fees for an attorney to help members collect damages after an accident. $5,000 stolen vehicle reward. Pretty sweet. They're going to pay the police department or the person that turns the person in, leads to conviction and arrest. $1,000 credit card protection. Okay, I love it. $500 farm protection. So this is going to include information leading to the arrest and conviction of individuals who steal livestock, stock, trailer, tack, or any farm equipment. So awesome. Protect our farmers. You're going to get a free well card. Now, this well card is going to allow you to have discounts of up to 50% on prescriptions. Average savings of 50. There's an average saving of 50% on frames, prescription lenses, contact sunglasses, and LASIK. And the big one of them all, up to 40% off nearly all general dental fees. Y'all know dentists ain't no joke. Prescriptions as well. I love them, actually. Shoot. No joke. And I know it's hard with healthcare these days. You know, people don't have a lot of great coverage. So that's very, very handy right there. Emergency coverage. MCA members are covered 24 hours a day if hospitalized as a result of injuries from a covered accident at home, at work, in town, around the corner, at the local AM/PM, or in another state. It does not matter. This is the beauty. This was it for me. I'm covered 24 hours a day. If hospitalized, at home, at work, whatever, at play, wherever, it doesn't matter. They're going to pay up to $150. Excuse me. They're going to pay up to $150 every day that you're hospitalized from a covered accident, at home, work, play, whatever. They're going to pay you up to $54,000. Up to $54,000. What? So I'm thinking, So I'm thinking, man, what if I get in an accident and I'm in the hospital and I use all my sick time and all this stuff at work and have to go on disability? You know, you thinking ahead like, what if? Because truly is, what if that happens? Or am I covered? I think this is amazing. That was a kicker for me. Now, $500 emergency cash. They're going to pay up to $500 in emergency cash for the $100 for the ER facility, $100 for anesthesia, X-rays, ambulance, and cast or splints. They're going to pay you a check. They're not going to pay the hospital. You're going to get a check in the mail. Now, this is going back to the hospital benefits. MSA is going to pay up to $54,750 when you're hospitalized as a result of a covered accident. Member receive $150 per day for up to 1 year from hospital, room, and board. Benefits are paid directly to you, not the hospital. Just a reiteration of that. Accidental death benefits, $10,000 accidental death benefit to the estate if you die as a result from a covered accident. Accidental death coverage, I'll let you guys read that on your own. Travel protection, goes a little bit in depth. So the total security plan is the plan that I got. It's $19.95 a month. The plans do start at $9.95. And for the $9.95, you're not going to get your full bang for your buck. And it's only going to cover auto accidents only. And you're not going to get 100 miles on the towing. You're just going to get local towing. So obviously, the total security package is the best option. And all they want is $39.90 up front to pay for first month, last month. If you decide to cancel at one point. And their monthly dues of $19.95. That's it. Again, I can pay. That's coffee, $19.95 on something that ain't protecting me in no dang way. It's probably harming me more than it's helping me. I'm just saying. So that's what I'm talking about, guys. No need to convince you. I just want to show you what's available. At least for me, when I walk out that door and I jump in my ride, I know I'm covered. If I get in a car accident, forget the car. Am I covered? You know what I'm saying? The beautiful part about this is that this plan follows you. Let's just say you're in a friend's car. You guys are driving, just shopping around and you get into an accident. Guess what? Your friend's covered because you have your car and you are present with your friend, your spouse, your relative, whatever. If you're on the scene, you can use your card. If you're not on the scene, see if you can get on the scene and use your card. I'm just saying. So these are some wonderful benefits. Just thought I'd introduce them to you guys. I got links down below. You can check out some video testimonies because this thing is really real. And I'm going to try to do some video testimonies myself in the upcoming days. So you make the decision. Click that link to enter them into my website. Talk to you guys later. Be safe. God bless.